What's up, guys? Welcome to War Room Finance, where we talk about stocks, crypto, real estate, and other investment tips, strategies, and news. This is episode 2, and let's get into it.
All right. So to kick off, did anyone see the whole Warren Buffett article saying that he invested $1 billion into crypto bank?
Yeah. So I think we all know that Warren Buffett is a really big crypto bear. He hates Bitcoin. He hates all that stuff. So I was really surprised that he would invest in Nubank, which is a Brazilian bank that holds Bitcoin. I think that they offer crypto custodian services. So I think he's starting to see the value in crypto, and I know he's big on banks. He holds a lot of Bank of America and stuff. So I think he might be coming around and seeing that there is something here that's valuable.
Yeah, I saw that, but for some kind of weird reason, the markets didn't move much when that came out.
When was that?
It was this week, right?
Yeah, I think it was this week.
I think it just seems indirectly like investing. It's kind of like it's a whole bank, but like they just offer crypto, so it's like I don't think it's enough to really excite people.
But if you
because it's not like he went through the bank to buy Bitcoin,
Yeah.
So it's kind of like
even if you bought $1 billion, like the process for that to go into the market and actually execute probably takes like a week or two. It's a lot of money. So we might see some action next week. If not, then then it's just indirectly, just like Jair said.
Yeah, and then did you guys see that they picked up like a good amount of Activision stock last month? And this guy, so Warren Buffett really bought the dip for Activision. And,
he bought it too?
Yeah, he bought it. Well, not him, but like one of his lieutenants, pretty much.
It was Berkshire, his hedge fund or whatever, his company. Yeah, they bought Activision right before they got acquired.
Yeah, so this guy really bought the dip and like just rolled out those massive gains.
Yeah, but I think it's insider
trading. Yeah.
I mean, it just looks way too perfect for him, like for them to buy at the bottom.
What does Warren Buffett know about games? He says he only invests in things he understands. So that's why I think he might have been tipped off by Bill Gates or something, because they're besties, and
that's crazy.
He knew it was going to be a good trade.
They said he bought at that very low point.
Well, being very close to the bottom of the cup.
I was to say, damn.
I mean, it's still a W. If you buy anywhere near 60,
of course,
it's still a W, man. And he bought a lot. They bought a lot.
So what was the highest it went to so far?
We're at 80 right now.
150?
Yeah, So some poor soul got caught at 101 right there.
Jeez. Yeah, 101.
You hate to see it, boys.
So his partner, Charlie Munger, says cryptocurrency is like a venereal disease.
Wow.
He's completely on the opposite side. And that's his partner that's his investment partner.
Yeah, they're like, he's his ace. But yeah, I mean, so we'll see how that plays out. But now I guess Warren Buffett has skin on the metaverse by buying that much Activision Blizzard.
Yeah.
Which is kind of insane.
Yeah.
So that was a smart move. Yeah. And then did anyone see any good Super Bowl commercials? Because I saw like a lot of EV/crypto ones.
Yeah, so I was, of course I was watching the game, and when that Coinbase one with the QR code showed up, I didn't know it was Coinbase at first, right? Nobody did, but I scanned it, and then I was like, oh wow, that's Coinbase. I thought it was cool. It was definitely different.
It was genius because that's from an episode from The Office, so it's like very pop culture, and people that know. Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, so I thought so. Good for them. I know their site crashed. We'll see how many new users and stuff they got from that. I'm sure at the next earnings report, they'll talk about it. But I liked FTX's commercial where it had
I didn't get to see that one.
Yeah, so the concept in their commercial was like they had scenes of like different times in history when there was some innovation and people were like doubting that it was going to work.
Yeah.
And it kind of talks about how that's happening today with crypto. You know, there's a lot of doubters and naysayers and bears. But I think, you know, in 10 years, 20 years, we're going to look back and be like, wow, this was the start of something that's like part of our everyday lives now, you know?
100%.
Wasn't FTX that one app that would track your portfolio like back in the day? Like Blockfolio, right?
Was it?
Like, yeah, it was. I remember that. I
know Blockfolio.
Yeah. So Blockfolio became my FTX somehow, like along the lines. Because I remember that I used to have Blockfolio, and I would track my crypto with that, like way back in the 2018 bubble.
Sick.
Yeah, so I was like, oh man, I remember that. I remember Blockfolio, but now it kind of went ghost. Like no one really brings it up anymore.
No, I use the Market Cap app to track all my cryptos, and it's cool because even if you have like cryptos in different exchanges, you can like load all your holdings onto there. Into like one portfolio, and it's cool for tracking.
Yeah, I like CoinMarketCap, but it's good. It's there. I mean, but for some kind of weird reason, I don't try to look at my crypto too much because crypto is very like emotional. It's very like it swings super fast, like up and down. It's like that weird girlfriend that just has mood swings.
That weird girlfriend.
Yeah, that was just like she's like happy and mad. Like
crap, is she happy today or?
I can't. So like, yeah. So like, so for crypto, I'm better like not looking at it. I'm better just like buying like with the bot, and just like like don't look at it daily.
Yeah, I just look at I look because like, you know, every month when I like add to my investments every month, I use that to look and see which cryptos have like dipped the most, and then I just buy those ones, you know.
Yeah, that's pretty smart. All right.
What about Tensor balance right now?
Jair, are you the type to look at your crypto portfolio daily, weekly, or since everyone's getting wrecked, I know you're pretty heavy.
Honestly, now I only look at it when I'm buying.
When you're buying?
And usually like when I'm ready to buy, I'm ready to buy. I'm not going to wait for like, you know what I mean? Like I'm not going to, let me see the end of the day. Like I'll just buy it, bro. Cause it's like you said, this thing moves. You know?
Yeah. All right. I one more question. So when you buy, do you go based on like a little bit of technicals, a little bit of like price action, or like of just like fear? Like
honestly,
what's like your catalyst for buying?
I have the money.
Yeah, the money. That's it.
You know what I mean? Yeah, that's enough, it. Man. That's it.
Dollar cost average.
I don't really care, bro. Like,
all right,
because like, look, I was spending a lot of money on stuff that I didn't need. I was buying amps, guitars, all this crap, bro. And it's like, imagine if I would have put all that money, bro, into this. I would have been
you would have had enough for a rental.
I would have had enough for. I mean, like I said, if I would have sold everything this year, I mean, last year, at each one's at their peak, like I would have had enough for a good down payment, man.
Yeah, you would have enough for that 20%.
Yeah,
and then
you know.
All right, so before going into real estate, tapes, I saw that you're going to sell out of your stocks completely, or most of them. Why is that?
Out of everything, stocks in general.
Wait, where's tapes? What's like the catalyst, or what's pushing you towards that?
I'm with March, yeah.
All right.
Rate hack. The rate hack not gonna be 20. 0.25. It's gonna be half. It's gonna be half.
All right. And then where are you going to put that money to? Are you going to keep it on the sidelines, or are you going to
put it on into crypto?
Everything to crypto?
I'm buying ISO coins and meta coins.
Wait, ISO? Oh, ISO coins.
ISO coins.
All right. So most likely like
It's
XRP
coming,
and
man. It's coming, man. Where's XRP at right now?
82 cents.
XRP is 82 cents. Yeah, it's been rallying pretty favorable recently.
Yeah, it's been rallying a bit.
Yeah, so congrats to all you guys that kept holding and buying. Let me see where we're at.
I have to wait freaking a few, like a month or two to move the rest of my XRP from Uphold.
Yeah, so pretty much since we've been tracking it here in the channel. I put this channel here, and it broke off recently. Like once it broke that line, it just went to the moon.
That's crazy.
Yeah, so So I was looking at this. We got that.
Yeah.
Oh, we got that candle confirmation, and then the rest was history. So yeah, so if you can see a cup form, the cup.
Yeah.
There's a nice cup forming there.
Yeah, the only thing is that lawsuit's not gonna be done for a while, man.
Yeah, so that's, I guess we have to wait it out because it's tough on that. Tough on that.
Gotta wait.
What's the new deadline or what's the?
They're saying till like summer.
That sounds painful.
It's not bad.
Yeah.
I mean, because the ISO is going to get turned on this year too. So
It's literally,
In November.
It's gonna be literally like overnight type thing. You know?
That's what I'm like. I mean, like when everyone told me to start investing, that's what I'm telling you. Like, I had to really put it into my head that like this money is no longer. It's like buying a PlayStation. You know, I've bought in just a bunch of them now. That's just how I look at it. There's nothing I can do. I can't return it because I'm not gonna get, you know, on some of them I'm not gonna get the same amount, you know, or whatever. It's.
But right now, I saw Solana's juicy, so I'm
it's in the void. Yeah, it's under 100 right now.
Yes, Solana looks nice. So yeah, so as you can see, we're out of the channel, and then we're just kind of gonna, probably go sideways for a little bit more.
Down 10%.
Oh, you're looking at it right now? Let me see.
Yeah, I'm looking at it right now. So it looks
like a downtrend to me.
Yeah, so I think we could draw like a third channel here.
Yeah.
And
it was like a 90 something today, no?
It was possibly, yeah, it was low 98 today.
Oh, okay.
Maybe lower like at other brokers. But yeah, it looks very juicy though.
I use technical analysis before I buy anything though.
Yeah, for crypto, I do the same thing. I kind of look at it because crypto moves a lot like on TA.
Exactly.
And sentiment. There's not much. There's no earnings. There's no there's not big stuff that happens.
There's literally just volume and sometimes FOMO, and that's it.
Yeah, just to me, TA.
Well, like even when bad things happen, it didn't really move when they got hacked.
No, like, you're right. There was nothing.
That's what I'm saying. Like it's getting a little bit more. I don't know.
Can't say stable because that shit.
Yeah, I can't. The other day it just crashed and shit.
Yeah,
it's not stable. It's just I don't know. It just seems like more people are just not inclined to like. I don't know.
This is nobody's selling right now. That's why they're like they see the potential.
Well, yeah, because everyone bought at the high.
I don't know why, but it makes me kind of like sick to my stomach buying like at super high prices. I get that weird feeling like, Eric, do not buy. Too. Like it just gives me like a weird feeling when I'm buying super high.
To me, anything over $100 is already too much for me. Like I've only bought like a few Ethereums and just like, but I bought those like at 1,800. And then I won't do it, bro. It's just that's scary. You know what I mean? Even though you kind of realize like, okay, if it's this expensive, it's got to go somewhere, right?
Yeah,
you still got that little like fear though. You saw what happened to was it Blockfi? They just got sued. They lost.
Blockfi just got hit.
Yeah, dude. And it's like so I use Blockfi, you know, like I've explained, and yeah, you know, I got an email saying like, hey, you know, you're still gonna earn interest on what you have in your account now, but you can't add any more coins to your BlockFi account.
No way.
Yeah, but they're working with the SEC to get something approved so they can allow it again. But yeah, I mean, you know, as of now, it's like as of now, you can't add any assets to your BlockFi account. But the assets that you have in there already are going to keep earning interest, and you can pull them out if you want. But I was kind of pissed because I have my Bitcoin in there, my Ethereum, and
crap.
my USDC.
I heard, but I'm not 100% sure that you can still stake it on BlockFi, but once you take it out, you lose that privilege, or you can't earn money on it no more. Or let's say you have it there, put it somewhere else and bring it back, like they're not gonna allow that anymore.
If you take it out, you can't put it back in as of now. You know,
like basically you got grandfathered in, and that's
exactly.
it. Like,
You know, but like I said, they're working on something with the SEC right now. I hope it gets cleared up soon, so I can start adding shit back into my BlockFi.
I don't think. Honestly, I don't think that it will get cleared out soon. What I'm kind of seeing.
I thought they settled.
No, well, possibly. But
I saw that they're paying $100 million.
Yeah, but what I'm seeing, or what it looks like they're going to do, is they're going to go after all brokers, Coin, Gemini.
Oh yeah. Gotta get that ledger, boys.
Yeah,
gotta get that ledger,
and possibly BNB, because they want to the SEC doesn't fully understand, or they don't fully trust how these brokers can give you 7%, 15% on stake profits on some of those coins. So they want to really hammer that down good, so there's no moral hazard.
That's a power of DeFi.
Yeah.
Well, yes, but they don't want the brokers to get too over.
They don't want the poor to get rich, bro.
No,
they don't want people pulling their money out of the banks, dude.
Yeah, for real.
These crypto
that's
these
really
yield things. They're doing. Look, BlockFi is doing the same thing that banks do. They take your investment, they lend it out to businesses, and then they pay you a portion of the profits, but they pay you a lot more than the banks do. Yeah. And the SEC, they don't like this whole earning yield on your crypto thing, No,
they don't like that. But I think what they're trying to do is they don't want some type of CDO or some type of debt that's gonna stack and probably mutate into something that should not be allowed there, and probably pull down the market pretty heavily.
Okay.
What happened in the 09, 08 home crisis, when everything just crashed, because there was too much leverage going on.
Yeah.
On those loans, and then that's what the SEC is trying to prevent on crypto. It's not they're trying to keep the poor. I think they're trying to protect the consumers in the long run. I mean, that's just my thought, or I could be wrong.
That's a fair point.
Okay, and then going to other stuff that I want to talk about, I came across this article here from Yahoo Finance saying that 75% of recent homeowners are having a buyer's remorse for this year and last year, purchasing at an all-time high.
Crazy.
Yeah, that was big-time FOMO buying.
All-time high and giving them even $50,000 more just because they want the property.
Yeah, it's insane, because we saw houses going over asking for 100, 150K here, in the LA area.
I'm gonna be able to refinance again in a year. So if this stuff happens, people start letting go of homes, I'm gonna buy one for sure, bro.
Do it.
I mean, yeah, but I guess Nick and I can kind of talk about this. Or I don't know if you guys know other people that bought, but when I bought my rental property, I kind of weighed a lot of things that I kind of noticed. I was like, all right, you know what? I just want the property. I want to lock it in now, and I kind of bid a little bit higher, and I was like, all right, let's take it. But then this year, I did a few repairs. I was like, man, maybe I should have added this to the.
Do you have buyer's remorse?
Okay, I get you.
Yeah. I mean, no, I don't have buyer's remorse, but it kind of went through my head. When I saw this article, I'm like, man, I just had to pay $1,000 on repairs. But other people are paying way more money than me. It's 20, 30, 40. And then I don't know about you, Nick.
Yeah. So when I bought my townhouse, I also waived inspection contingencies. But I still got an inspection done so I could, learn about the condition of the property. I just wasn't in any position to haggle the price based on what I found. Luckily, there weren't any serious problems. One of the biggest issues is that I have to replace my AC system because it's over 25 years old, and that'll be about like 10 grand. And so, in a normal housing market, I would have been able to haggle the price based on like the AC repair and stuff. But in this market, I couldn't. But I don't have remorse because I think I still got a good price in this market. My townhouse was listed for $240,000. I bid $250,000, and when the appraiser came by, he appraised it at $250,000. So I didn't have to pay over market value for my place.
Nice.
Which is good in this market. In a normal market, you would try to pay a little bit under market value. Yeah. But right now people are paying way above market value. So it's crazy. I was able to get mine at a fair market price. So I'm not tripping.
When was this? 2020 or 2021?
This was 2021. This was April. So almost a year ago.
It's gonna keep going up.
So those houses right now are like so your house probably went up like 100,000 in the last year.
My house and so in the past like 9 months that I've owned it, it's gone up about $50,000 in value. So and so like right now on my loan I owe like 238, and the value of the house is like around 300, maybe 320, because I'm doing remodeling right now, so that should up the value. So my plan is once I finish remodeling, I'm gonna get it appraised again, and then take out a loan, a home equity loan, and then use that equity to buy another house, buy a rental, because I'm living in this one, but I'm going to use the equity to buy a rental.
Yeah, that's good.
That's the plan.
Smart. That is smart. Yeah, that's pretty much what you have to do. You have to like hop, and just keep building on it. So that's the move right there. So going back to what we were saying, so like most properties did go up like 100K, but that was kind of like the big cities like LA, New York, Florida, Texas. Yeah, and then like the smaller ones went up 40, 60, 30K throughout the year. But still that's like if you have 5 homes, if all 5 homes went up 100K, that's already $500,000 on equity that you gain just by doing nothing.
Easily.
It's crazy.
Yeah. So
you see that Florida right now is the most expensive place to live in?
Wow.
It's because just a couple people are moving there because there's no income tax there.
A lot of people are moving there.
Yeah, because there's no income tax. It's crazy.
A lot of trappers.
Yeah.
Honestly, Florida has been screwed since day one. Like that place has it's not really affordable. I mean, it is.
They're LA by the beach.
Yeah, it's LA by the beach. So like
East Coast LA, bro.
Yeah. Yeah, pretty much.
Yeah, I mean, like Miami has always been pretty expensive the past few years, but the rest of Florida was pretty affordable. But I'm scared of investing in Florida because I don't want a hurricane taking out my house.
Well, that's why you get insurance and then you cash out.
Yeah, you get cash out.
That's true too.
Just don't move there. Yeah.
That's true.
You can see that. But
check out Shopify. Oh,
yeah. So did anyone see up to Shopify? Yeah, they're getting ripped hard.
What's going on?
I think they had like negative 30% losses or something like that. It was bad. Damn. They had like bad earnings. It
was like 50%.
Oh yeah. So they dropped. They're
more than 50.
Yeah, they're getting hammered. These guys. What? So they're.
Yeah. What's the news on that, man? I'm curious now because I own Shopify. I'm bullish on the e-commerce space.
Yeah. Well.
Damn.
Yeah, I held it for a while.
How long has it been falling for?
Since
December.
Since this November, actually.
Late November, yeah.
It's been in free fall ever since.
Yeah.
Jeez.
Yeah.
So I guess they just put out earnings, I think, this week too, and yeah, they reported lower sales. So.
Is it like a bunch of people's shops on there? What is it, like Etsy?
Shopify.
Not really. So Shopify, it's a platform that lets
I
people
don't use Shopify.
Like drop shipping.
Yeah,
Oh,
well,
okay.
drop shipping.
It's popular. It's popular for drop shipping.
Yeah, it's very popular for drop shipping, but anyone who has a business that sells anything, it's just a platform to build your online website with like a shopping cart and stuff. Add your products real easily.
Yeah, I don't see anything here. This thing it's just gonna get wrecked.
Wow.
Yeah.
That's crazy.
If you got caught, honestly, I mean, if you hold Shopify, not legal advice, but I probably would sell.
Oh, dude. I'm gonna hold it long term.
Oh man, niggas gonna go down with
stings
with
a
the
little
ship.
bit.
Oh man, like I don't know how much you have, but like if I was holding Shopify, I would have just called it quits and put that into Apple or Microsoft.
I own Apple too, so
I mean, a little more like never hurts.
Right.
But yeah.
Where did you buy it?
That's rough.
When?
Well, yeah.
Not gonna lie, dude. I probably bought it like a month ago, so I got caught, dude.
It's not that bad. Like a month ago.
Holy shit. Okay, so
because
all right, so
that's bad,
so I had put in $500 into Shopify, and now I'm at $390. So I lost $110 on it.
It's not too bad. Well, at least it doesn't look like this.
Oh, jeez.
Always bringing up the shitcoins, Eric.
I'm still in the green, Eric.
All right.
I'm still in the green.
All I'm saying is that Nick could have been like a lot worse.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, you're right.
Yeah, so I mean, like, so I saw like a quick pop for Doji. There was like a few, so I don't know what happened there.
I think that money moved to like AMC or something.
It was last week when.
And then AMC formed like a nice triangle, right? Like this. Let me see. Let me zoom out.
Oh wait, the one you posted.
Yeah, it looks. Yeah. Oh man. Actually, it's like actually like reversing. Surprisingly, so I guess it bottomed out like right where I drew the line.
At 13.
Yeah, at 13. Like, I drew the line and it just reversed. So it did a full reverse on us right when it bottomed out. But we'll see how that one goes. And then tapes, you're the one that sold off today, right? Or was it like you sold off yesterday?
I'm gonna sell off when it hits 20.
Oh, all right.
Yeah,
I just seen that.
I have a sell order in 20 and then have one in 30, 25 and 30.
All right. Not bad. All right. So to kind of, I guess, close out tonight's video, do you guys have any funny memes that you guys want to share?
Yeah, dude, pull them up. You got it.
All right. So we got this. Okay. So let's go with this one first.
This is the Kanye.
Yeah. So I guess, it's pretty much there.
All right. So it says SPY is up 14% in the last 12 months. But your portfolio is down 90% in the last 12 months. That's what happens when you invest in like shit coins and stuff, dude.
So I feel like a lot of people, like a lot of retail people, got caught up in all those high multiple stocks and cryptos, and now they're getting wrecked pretty hard.
Oh yeah,
and they're just it's sad. But yeah,
it's like Pikachu coin and
Charizard coin.
Yeah. Like it's crazy. Like your portfolio is down 90%, you need 180% just to break even.
Damn. That's tough. That's a tough one.
That's tough.
Yeah,
you're not coming back.
There's
no way.
What I recommend to do, and this legal advice, just like uninstall the app.
Yeah.
That's
not even. That doesn't even have legal advice. That's friendly advice right there, bro.
Yeah.
Just uninstall the app, and you're just better off. About it. Yeah, just forget about it. So just let it go. Come back in 20 years.
That's crazy.
All right. So next meme right here, we got the build a hedge fund with $15.
Let's go,
boys. All right. So let's pick. Let's start from the top.
I mean, for me, for sure, Nancy Pelosi.
I'm leaning towards George Soros just because he's like the big mega cap, big value. But I don't know. What are you guys thinking?
I mean, my picks. I mean, okay, so definitely.
I want to go with Martin.
Man, fuck this guy.
Martin Shkreli.
All right.
That dude is
All right. So we got 5 on Nancy, right?
Wait,
And
is
then-
that the girl that hacked Bitcoin?
Yeah.
No, yeah.
Oh,
I'm going with
That's-
her. I'm going with
I
her
gotta
for
go with that one, bro. I gotta go with that one for sure.
All right. So we got how much money left do we have? Damn, $9.
I mean, easy Kathy Wood for sure.
Kathy Wood, yeah.
Okay, so we got Mama Kathy, and then Quan too, I guess.
And I'm getting the Twindle Sealer for sure.
Wait, what?
This guy can
Oh,
sell,
Yeah, dude.
this guy can sell water to a fountain, bro.
yeah, you're right. That guy's
Tinder swindler?
man. Wait,
Who is that?
Have you seen it, Jair?
No.
yeah,
Have
there's
you
like
seen
Oh.
You have to see it, bro. It's on Netflix.
I gotta check it out. It's a good one. And then for $1, so we got the chick, right? The hacker chick.
Mm-hmm.
Jordan Belfort. Yeah, I'm gonna get the Bitcoin check for sure.
All right.
That's
And
crazy.
then does anyone want Kramer? Like
I was gonna say Kramer, but I mean it's kind of weird. Because I mean, to be honest, I like his show.
Nobody
I don't
wants Kramer.
I don't
bro.
always like his picks and stuff, but he's entertaining. You know, I like his show. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Tune in next time on War Room Finance.
Make sure
Go,
you
boy.
like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe. Destroy that like button.
Yeah.
I hate when people say that.
oh man. Okay.
That's a good one.